Is your handwriting a little messy? Samsung Note has a feature that can automatically clean up your handwriting. Let me show you how. First, open Samsung Note and then open a note with some handwriting. Remove the S Pen. Tap the selection mode icon twice. You can use either lasso or rectangle to select the handwriting you want to fix. For this example, let's use lasso. Now tap the more icon on the pop-up menu. Then tap Align Handwriting. A pop-up window will appear with several options. The first one is Straighten. This can help make your handwriting more aligned instead of following uneven or slanted baseline. Next, there's Align Letters. This adjusts the letters so they are more consistently aligned with each other. Then we have Evenly Spaced Word. This adjusts the spacing between words to make them more consistent. And the last option is Fix the shape of letters. This can help make irregular handwritten letters look more consistent. You can turn each option on or off depending on what you want to change. You can also change the language. To do so, you can tap the settings icon next to the current language. Choose the language you want to use, then tap done. Once you have selected the option you want, tap done again. Samsung Note will now adjust the selected handwriting based on your setting. And that's how to fix messy handwriting in Samsung Note on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.